Abu Ishaq states that a man said to Hazrat Bara, "Did you flee on the day of the battle of Hunain?" He said, "No. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did not turn his back at all." As a matter of fact, some impetuous and unarmed young men of his companions advanced and they had an encounter with a party of archers of Banu Nadhr, whose arrows never missed the target. Then those young men returned to Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. While Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was riding a white mule, and Hazrat Abu Sufyan bin Harith bin Abdul Muttalib was ahead of the mule. The Prophet ﷺ alighted from the mule and sought Allah's help and said, "I am a prophet. No lie, I am the son of Abdul Muttalib." He ﷺ then arrayed them in ranks. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4591.